Tetherow is all about lifestyle. World-class skiing at Mount Bachelor, miles of mountain biking and hiking trails, golf, the Deschutes River, and the vibrant dining scene of Ben's Westside, all just minutes away. If you're tired of seeing variations of the same house, it's time to consider this chalet townhome in Tetherow. Let's go inside and take a look. Located near the owner's pool and the resort amenities, this home blends thoughtful design with everyday convenience. The reverse living floor plan takes advantage of the elevated setting with vaulted ceilings and walls of glass that fill the great room with natural light, create a welcoming, open feel. The kitchen has been extended and upgraded, featuring an oversized waterfall island, butler's pantry, and a JennAir appliance package. Sliding glass doors open to a covered deck, extending the living space through every season. Downstairs, 2 ensuite bedrooms offer privacy and comfort for guests, while a durable mudroom is ready for skis, bikes, and everything that comes with an active Central Oregon lifestyle. And with an oversized 3-car garage, there's finally room for both vehicles and all the gear that makes living here so much fun. If you've been looking for a turnkey retreat in one of Ben's most sought-after communities, this Tetherow Chalet townhome is well worth a closer look.